My name's Andre Barker. I'm the lead captain on the Global Express aircraft. The aircraft is a Global Express XRS model, capable of cruising about 6,000 nautical miles over 12 hours. Typical routes we fly on this aircraft are the long-range routes like London, LA, cruising at a max speed of about 0.85. The current configuration, we have 13 passenger seats, 2 double beds, 3 single beds, and full catering facilities on board, including ovens, ice, fridges, and cold storage. It's a fairly large luggage capacity. We can fit about 12 large suitcases and all the hand luggage that the passengers are welcome to bring on board. The aircraft has forward and aft bathrooms on board, full entertainment system with all the latest DVDs, and is capable of downloading on Wi-Fi.